X-8 group. Today we will make a spaghetti.
Before
We
make the
spaghetti. Let
us introduce
ourselves.
My name is Zaskia Farhatunida. My name is Rani Anggraini. My name is Nazwa Nirameka.
My name is Resya Dewi Saswanto.
Before we make the spaghetti, we need some ingredients. Here are the ingredients.
There is margarine, pasta, cheese, water, oil, onion, garlic, sausage, and sauce.
You also need some tools to make spaghetti. Here are the tools.
There is teflon, plate, pan, spatula, and a knife.
First, we need to slice the garlic. Mika, what's wrong with you? Me? No, I'm not crying. I'm crying because... Second, boil the water. While we're waiting for the water, we need to slice the sausage.
After that, we need to add 1 tablespoon of oil and add the pasta into the water.
Then turn on the stove and salt the onion and garlic. Add bolognese sauce into the pan. After the pasta is cooked, strain and pour it into the pan. Add some cooked sausage, then stir it.
After mix well, turn off the stove and pour the pasta into the plate.
Spread the cheese out of the pan.
We're done. The spaghetti is ready to be served.
Finish! Hello everyone!
Jangan berisik dulu ya. Jangan berisik dulu.
My name is Resya Dewi Saswanto.
Before me. What is wrong for you? Mika, what's wrong with you? Me? No, I'm not crying. I'm crying because...